Prime Minister Narendra Modi is all set to meet Chinese President Xi Jinping and Russian President Vladimir Putin at the SCO summit on August 31 to September 1. Although all eyes will be on China, India and Russia as the three powerful economies stand up against Donald Trump's tariffs and the focus of the SCO summit will be on economic ties, there's an uncomfortable moment that PM Modi may have to diplomatically deal with at the SCO summit. Pakistan's Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif will be attending the SCO summit, and going by the loose agenda of the SCO summit, PM Modi may have to briefly come face-to-face with Shehbaz Sharif at the official reception of heads of state. On August 30, the reception is slated to take place at about 4 p.m. IST, and Chinese President Xi Jinping will be receiving the dignitaries that include PM Modi. The second unpleasant encounter may take place at the SCO leaders meeting on September 1st. The meeting will be attended by all the heads of SCO states, which include India, Russia, China and Pakistan, among others. This is the first time after Operation Sindoor and the Pakistan-backed Pahalgam attack that PM Modi will come face-to-face with Sharif on a global platform. Meanwhile, Pakistan has complimented its ties with China and said it looks forward to the summit. The Deputy Prime Minister, Ishaq Dar, did not mention India or any other member states in his social media post.
Pakistan and China are also partners in the SCO. I'm looking forward to participating in the forthcoming SCO summit, which is being hosted by China in the beautiful port city of Tianjin. Although Pakistan is a relatively recent member of the SCO, it has assumed an active and forward-looking role in advancing the organization's vision. The SCO provides a crucial platform for enhancing connectivity and cooperation across Eurasia, with collaboration extending to vital areas such as trade, energy, education, infrastructure, culture, and tourism. Its importance is even more pronounced in today's complex global environment, where the SCO stands as a pillar of stability and a driver of progress. The role of the SCO has gained remarkable importance for several reasons. Firstly, in what is widely regarded as the Asian century, the SCO stands as a vital pillar of cooperation, coordination, and connectivity among the nations of Asia.
After the April 22nd attack, India has vehemently maintained that trade and talks cannot go hand in hand. India has also talked against Pakistan on multiple occasions and firmly said that Operation Sindoor has not ended yet.